open up this hydraulic pump off the grave digger and see if we can see what size of seal we need for this. That one. It's maybe imperial. Easily could be. Yep, looks to be imperial. Did get a set imperial hunties. Too big. This one. Too wee. Yeah, it's imperial. There's a bigger one here as well. It's too wee as well. This one. Might have to put it in the vice to do it. May end up getting a new hydraulic pump yet. I'll see. I think we're going to the vice. That's the big one, that's the big one. Right, let's go to the vice. Seems to be 4 big ones and 4 small ones. Smaller ones. Most things became metric around, I remember right about 1972, but this is an 83 model, so the Japanese didn't. Kubota, is it Japanese or Korean? Not sure. They didn't move on to metric till later on. I know the Japanese have got some funny screw sizes. Almost had a tidy up in here today, but I haven't got around to it yet. It's pending when I can be bothered. Things are from the 60s and the 50s, you seem to be able to get bits from no bother about them. little washers in them. That one doesn't have a washer. Nope. Just these two centre ones that seem to have the washers, I think. That's the reason for it. Yeah. It's just the two middle ones. Yeah, I think. She'll move. If I take the two fittings out, it should be better, I think. Let's get a spanner. .26 and 30, they're different sizes. Okay, that's 31, which doesn't exist because nobody makes a 31mm span. That's out. That got it. Right, if I leave the doughty seals in place, hopefully they'll not get damaged. Super better. Moving. It's a dual shaft, very somewhat major. So I can clean this up a bit and get the shaft out. It's a very, that blue band's the seal, very small. I should have sorted it, I think. See if I can clean it up with the power wire brush. Just a bit of rust it's stopping it, I think. It's just a 2-spindle. I've been away shopping this morning. This is the Monday bank holiday, May 2nd. May 2nd. Well, I've got a new belt. Whether it'll fit or no, I'm not sure. Should be okay. That's probably the belt that should be on it. So we'll get that installed in a bit. Also managed to get the correct seal for the hydraulic pump on the Kubota. The company I got it's a brand new Imperial. It's got sizes on, but they're in metric. I don't know if you can see them in the light here. Just where my finger is, there's the sizes are on there. So it's 9, I think that says 19.5, 31.75 and 6.35. That's your inner, outer and depth dimensions, but it's an inch and quarter, 3/4 and quarter, is it? Something like that. So that'll let us get the pump back together, and then I can position it, and then I can get on with the drive for it. Then I need to buy more hydraulic oil. First job, right. I'm going to get this belt on. So you can see there. To start cursing, you'll know it doesn't fit. I've been I was machining the plate adapters for the CV joints, so I've got one almost ready. I think we're on the middle gear here. That's better. I think that is the right belt. Right, see that. Maybe a little bit fast. Which one now? So that's 1420 RPM, went a bit slow on that. Probably not see what I'm doing. This is a bolt I've got for tensioning the motor. This one. 910, so that'll, there's a 500 as well, but I think that's too slow usually, unless you're using a big item to draw it. What's it? Right, I need to get this one down. Snip. that should be running at 9-10 RPM. Look at the drill, slip the belt so much now. SBZ 1237. Right. That's grind it down as well, so that's a new belt running. I'll maybe tension it a little bit more. That's, like I said, it's running the second bottom one there, 910. That's quite a good speed for drilling, I think. You can get this to crank up to 2560, but I'm not sure what you use that for. So we've got the new bit made there as well, and before I bore holes I'll check the levels again. A little bit breathless today. I missed a dose of one of my inhalers, and steroid inhaling. Keep it up going as well. Still a bit of spanner, I'll tighten up a wee bit. And then we'll go and put the Kubota pump back together. What was happening with the other belt, it was so stretched that the pulley was going into the side of the metal there. That should do it. Right. We've got quite a few holes to go. That's a pointer as well. Okay, well we'll get this, try and get this Kubota pump back into one piece. I put this shaft in the lathe. There's two marks there where the original seal's been running. I was running some 1200 grit over it just to try and smooth that off, and I found an impact tooth. That tooth there's got a few pits in it. We'll see how it goes. Hydraulic oil in here we can lubricate it with. Right, so I'll leave it in a specific place. So get that clean. This is 1200 wet and dry. Just taking the dirt off. Just using the original seals because I don't know where we could get. I mean, well, maybe possible. I think it's just an O-ring that's bent into a shape. You can see where it's been rubbing on the brass plate there. It's not touching that, but it's been rubbing on there. It goes that way. So they've been sitting on top of the gears here, like that. First thing we need to do is put the seal in. Do that clean up first. we reckon this digger was made in 1983. 3 years on her now. 40 years old next year, I think. 20. So it's doing not bad. Right, that's the new seal. Need some encouragement. I'm just going to put a socket over it and then tighten it in the vise or something. Put something over there, a bit of wood or something. Yeah, I've just put a socket over it and pushed it in. See my on here. Right, I need to get the bits in the right place. That sits over that. Sits in there. Plate. Which way it is, isn't it? It's that way around. But it needs to sit into this seal here like that. Clean oil. What I might do is push this shaft down through there first, make sure it's going to go into the seal. And that one should follow, I would think. Take all the sharp bits off. It's going in. Just thought we'd been tighter than that, but it doesn't need to be. Right, there's a couple of locating pins there. Let's give it a wee gentle tap with something. Pull up the rest of the one piece. Right, the two with the washers are in the centre here. That's a big one as well. Big one in there. I was just checking I put the new seal in and not the old one. No, we're good enough. That's the old one. Wouldn't be the first time I'd done something daft like that. I went, why is that not sealing? Right, that's loose. Just about pulled up there. Just work my way side to side. We've got a little bit to go. I've got to channel the tap and see if it sits in a bit more. Right, I'll put it to the vise, hold it in the vise, just using the vise so it doesn't rotate, and I'll try and pull it in. Too tight on then. Close this gap. What are you doing? Should get some pull in on this side more. it is going in, I think, because once you pull them down it loosens the middle ones a wee bit. Still got a wee bit to go. That's good tight now. Not far from it. What we might do is just let it rest for a while and then come back and tighten it again. Which probably sounds odd. Tight. It's tight. Moved. That's tight. Just closed up the gap anyway. Right, I'll use the middle with the big ones in the middle here. We'll see if we can rotate it. I'll move that one. Can't move that one. That's just bending the Allen key. That's tight. Got a new digital vernier coming today sometime. It's my old one there. It lasts a lot longer than the predecessors, but it's not counting right now. It's all over the place, so I ordered an 8-inch one this time, and it gives you fractions too. So what we need to do now is see if that'll actually turn. PTO shaft, I've had on it before. Jeez, that's tight. Nah, something wrong there. That's solid. Take that a bit again. Okay, I'll strip it down and see what's wrong and bring it back. I took it apart again. It turns out this seal had got squished, but it's pretty hard anyway. So what I've done, I've got that seal there's out of one of these fuel filters. You know, that fits a major. So I've put the plate in, I've clamped it, and what I'll have to do, I'll let it push it into place sort of thing. It's not far off, and then I'll have to run a Stanley knife sharp blade round because it needs to recess in a wee bit. So I've got it pushed out in the corners anyway, so leave that over. Well, leave that for a while anyway. I've been trying to make this narrow seal for the hydraulic pump off the Kubota. I discovered I'd flattened it anyway. So what I did is I got a normal seal off a filter, which was just about the right size but had to be stretched, and then I cut an L shape out of it for this to sit into, and then I super glued it in place. And once the super glue was up, I cut out the last bit of the L, so it's just that width now because this is to sit inside it. So hopefully that'll hold. Time will tell.